Meaning of haves.
Haves.
Halves.
Halves.
Haves. The term haves typically refers to individuals or groups who possess wealth, power, or other forms of privilege in a society. These individuals enjoy a higher standard of living and greater access to resources and opportunities than the have-nots, or those who lack these advantages. The concept of haves versus have-nots is often used in discussions of social inequality and economic disparities, highlighting the ways in which some members of society are able to accumulate and maintain wealth and influence while others struggle to make ends meet. This dynamic can contribute to a range of social and political issues, including poverty, discrimination, and unrest.